Hello, sweet beautifuls. It's me. So I got a package, so we're gonna be opening it. I just got off work at McDonald's, so I'm kind of in my workwear. So how are you guys doing? It's literally me again, even though you probably never watched me, but it's okay, because this is literally just like my channel for fun. So, oh my god. Okay, I did not expect this. So apparently I got my new pants in the mail that I ordered. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. I hope they fit me. This is a size extra large, and that's all I got today, but I wanted to record it just cause I love watching unboxing videos. It just makes me so happy. So literally guys, this is a size extra large. I hope it fits me. I guess it should. So this is what that looks like, and then in the back it has those. So I'm gonna try them on real fast. Okay, so yeah, these fit me absolutely pretty much perfectly, except like when I lifted my leg up, it was like kind of tight right here. But like honestly, I could just like walk around in these. So that's what they look like. I know I just like jumped, but here, I'll give you guys like a close-up. So that's what that looks like. I think these are cute. And then that's what the back looks like. Ooh. So yeah, that's what I got in the mail. Ooh. I did not expect these to fit me like this. I thought they were gonna be way too tight. But because it's from China. But like when I sit down, they're like a little bit tight, but like if I lost like 20 pounds, which I probably won't anytime soon, but I'm just letting you guys know, like if I was thinner, they'd probably look better. But honestly, whatever. I mean, I gotta wear what I have now, you know? Can't just be like, wait till I'm skinny, because that might never happen, you know? I love to eat food, and I'm just not afraid. So yeah, that's what I got. I can't believe these came so fast. They must have been an American-based place. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.